Table saws are essential tools for any woodworker, whether you're a beginner or a pro. They allow you to make precise and consistent cuts, which is essential for building high-quality projects. But with so many different table saws on the market, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. That's why we're here to help. In this video, we'll review the top-rated table saws on the market and help you choose the best one for your needs. Number 1. DEWALT WX572L 10-inch table saw. This saw can handle a wide variety of materials, from plywood to hardwoods to pressure-treated lumber. It has a 15-ampere motor. It provides plenty of power for even the toughest cuts. With a 32 2/2-inch rip capacity, this saw offers the space you need for those wide, precision cuts. This saw comes with a rolling stand that makes setup and breakdown a breeze. Number 2. Micro Jig GR-100 Table Saw. The GR-100 provides downward, inward, and forward pressure on the workpiece to keep it stable and prevent it from kicking back. It has a unique grip that holds the workpiece tightly, even when it's wet or covered in sawdust. The GR-100 is so precise that you can use it to rip wood as thin as 1 by 4 inch without having to readjust the fence. Number 3. Worx WX572L Portable Table Saw. This saw is a great option for anyone looking for a lightweight, portable, and versatile saw. It's perfect for a variety of projects, from cross and rip cuts to miter cuts and scrolling. This saw can cut wood, metal, tile, aluminum, and plastic. The miter gauge and rip fence are easy to adjust, and the safety switch and key help to prevent accidental starts. Number 4. SawStop PCS31230TGP236 Table Saw. This is another great option for carpenters. This saw stops saw blade in less than 5 milliseconds if it comes into contact with skin, minimizing the risk of serious injury. This fence is made of heavy-gauge steel and provides a sure lockdown and reliable square cutting. This table saw delivers 99% dust collection above and below the table. Number 5. Rockwell RK7323 Portable Tabletop Saw. This saw is portable and lightweight. It weighs in just 18 pounds. The 1.5 ampere motor provides plenty of power for cutting through a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, metal, and tile. The saw features a safety switch to prevent accidental starting and a riving knife to help prevent kickback. Number 6. TT0811 Job Site Table Saw. One of the standout features of the TT0811 is its impressive rip capacity of up to 25 inches. Whether you're tackling large-scale projects or smaller ones, this saw has you covered. It's equipped with an 11-ampere motor that can rev up the included 8.25-inch TCT24T blade to a whopping 4,500 RPM. You can cut boards up to 2.75 inches thick at 90 degrees and 2 inches thick at 45 degrees. Thanks for watching our video on the best table saw for woodworking. We hope this video has helped you narrow down your choices and find the perfect saw for your needs. If you have any questions about the saws we reviewed, or if you're looking for more information on table saws in general, be sure to leave a comment below. We're always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips, tricks, and reviews.